Dear students, today we are going to discuss trajectory of a charged particle in a uniform electric field. Here trajectory means path of a charged particle in a uniform electric field. It means that what will be path of a charged particle when that very charged particle will be in motion in a uniform electric field. See this very figure. See this very figure. Here we have created an uniform electric field. हमने यहाँ एक यूनिफॉर्म इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड क्रिएट किया है बाय द हेल्प ऑफ टू प्लेट्स. वन प्लेट इज पॉजिटिवली चार्ज एंड अनदर वन इज नेगेटिवली चार्ज. So field due to positively charged plate will be away, and that due to negatively charged plate will be towards. So in between the plates, field will be from positive plate to negative plate. Means by the help of these two charged plates, we have created an electric field, uniform electric field. And now in this very electric field, we are putting a charged particle which is electron with velocity v perpendicular to the field. Here we have put our charged particle which is your electron perpendicular to the field with velocity v. Now question is this कि यह जो चार्ज पार्टिकल जब फील्ड में इंटर करेगा उसके बाद इसका पाथ कैसा होगा, व्हाट विल बी इट्स पाथ, राइट. Then see here, when you will take coordinate axis, then let us suppose along the direction of motion of the charge particle means initial velocity we have taken x direction, and in perpendicular direction we have taken y direction. It means that here electric field here due to these two charge plates, electric field is in downward direction and charge particle is in motion in horizontal direction. Means your charge particle is in motion along x direction, right. Then now question is this कि what will happen to this very charge particle which is your electron when it will enter in the field. Then we can say it is well known fact to you all that when we place a positively charged particle in an electric field, it experiences a force which is equal to Q into E. But here charged particle is electron, so it will experience force in opposite direction. It means that opposite to the field, it means that it will experience force in upward direction. And when it will experience force in upward direction, what does it mean? Its initial velocity is horizontal direction, right direction, but it is experiencing force in upward direction, opposite to the field. It means that यहाँ जो केस हो रहा है सेम जो हम लोग मैग्नेटिक फील्ड वाला केस डिस्कस किए थे वही हो रहा है. वेलोसिटी इज इन हॉरिजॉन्टल डायरेक्शन एंड फोर्स इज एक्टिंग परपेंडिकुलर टू दी वेलोसिटी. तो याद करो तो मैग्नेटिक फील्ड वाला में केस यही केस हुआ था. सेम एज मैग्नेटिक फील्ड वाला केस हो रहा है. अगर सेम एज मैग्नेटिक फील्ड वाला केस हो रहा है तो वहाँ पर जो पाथ था दैट वाज सर्कुलर. Then here path should be also circular, but here path, see here from the figure we can say here path is parabolic. Question is why? वहाँ पर भी फोर्स जो है वेलोसिटी के परपेंडिकुलर लग रहा था मैग्नेटिक फील्ड के केस में. यहाँ पर भी जो है इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड के केस में फोर्स इज एक्टिंग परपेंडिकुलर टू द वेलोसिटी. देयर path was circular, then here path should be also circular, but here path is parabolic in nature. Question is why? The reason behind this is that in that very case at each and every point of motion of the charged particle force was acting perpendicular to the velocity. वहाँ पर velocity के हर एक इंस्टेंट पर हर एक पॉइंट पर जो है फोर्स पर velocity के परपेंडिकुलर था. बट here force is not always acting perpendicular to the velocity. Initially force is perpendicular to velocity, but it is not perpendicular to velocity at each and every time, and due to this very reason path is parabolic in nature. Then due to this very force, as force is acting, so there will be some acceleration. Question is this, what will be acceleration produced? Then from Newton's second law, we know that F equal to m into A. So acceleration produced in the charged particle will be equal to A equal to F by m and F equal to Q into E. So A will be equal to QE by m, and this very acceleration will be along the direction of the force, means it will act in upward direction. Now see here, initial velocity in horizontal direction and it is experiencing force in upward direction, and due to this very upward force there is production of acceleration. So again there will be change in velocity. It means that now particle will possess two velocity, one along horizontal velocity and another along one along horizontal direction and another along vertical direction. Now we are discussing both velocities separately. First come over for horizontal motion. For horizontal motion, force acting along horizontal direction is 0. And as force acting along the horizontal direction is 0, so velocity will be constant. And when velocity will be constant, then question is this कि in time t what will be distance covered, कितना distance cover करेगा. Then simply we can say distance covered will be equal to x equal to v into t. From here we can write t will be equal to x by v. Now in same time interval, what will be distance covered by the charged particle in vertical direction? Then now come over horizontal motion, vertical motion. For vertical motion, force acting is equal to Q into E. So acceleration produced will be equal to Q into E by m. Here Q is constant, electric field is constant, mass is constant, so acceleration will be also constant. It means that it is an example of constant acceleration. Then question is this, in time t what amount of distance will be covered by it in backward direction? So by using equations of constant acceleration we can find. Here in vertical direction initial velocity u is 0. So we can find distance covered in time t by using equation y equal to, means by using equation s equal to ut plus half at square, means, and let us suppose distance covered by the particle in y direction is y in time t. So y will be equal to ut plus half at square. U is 0, so it will become 0 plus half at square. It means that y will be equal to half at square. Now we want to find path. We want to find equation of path, and we represent equation in term of x and y. So from equation number 2, put value of t which is in term of x in equation 3. Then your expression will become y equal to half into QE by m into t square. तो t square के प्लेस पर कर दो x by v to the power 2. So it will become y equal to QE by 2mv square into x to the power 2, which is same as y equal to 4a y square equal to, or you can say which is in the form of y square equal to 4ax over x square equal to 4ay, and this is the equation of parabola. So we can say path will be parabolic. It means that trajectory of the charged particle, path of the charged particle in an electric field will be parabolic in nature. Right? Clear to you all?